I'm finally going through my Dr. Joe Dispenza meditation video that blew up, and I'm just reading all the comments. Sorry it took me like 6 months to get to it, but I was just like feeling overwhelmed by all the, feedback and response. But anyway, I want to answer this question about Joe Dispenza's course. Is it worth it? What does he teach? It's definitely worth it. And I bought the course last year because I wanted to go to one of his progressive, wait, is it? It's called like one of his weekend retreats. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's called progressive retreats. And it was mandatory to do his course before attending his retreat. Actually, if I had just bought like a retreat ticket, they would have given me the course for free for like 30 days. I think that's what happened to one of my friends. But I wanted to keep this course for life. I have not finished the entire course because it's so much. Like it's a lot of content. That's why I say it's worth it, because there's like basically all of his meditations almost, and the lectures are like 2 to 3 hours of him just going through the basics and the foundations of how to do his meditations, how to rewire your brain, his formula and his methods. And what I like about the course actually is it was filmed live at one of his retreats. So you kind of get like the audience reactions, you get like that energy and that feel of him teaching to an audience. And there's like him making jokes and being interactive with the audience. So I definitely think that it's worth it. But I just want to make sure that I answer this question. But like, what does he teach? He basically teaches like the A to Z of his formula. It's basically everything that is in his book. So like breaking the habit of being yourself, evolve your brain, becoming supernatural, like all of that stuff is included in the course. It's worth it, but it's a lot. Just remember that there's so much to go through. But if you have been on the fence about doing Dr. Joe's work or doing his course, I highly recommend it, and you should totally get it. All right, I hope that answers the question.